With tools like AI able to write reports and answer test questions, how do we make sure students are really learning? One answer is something simple but powerful: discussion-based assessments, or DBAs. A discussion-based assessment is just what it sounds like: a one-on-one conversation where a student shares what they've learned. It can take 5 minutes or 15, but the key is that it's personal, reflective, and student-centered. Let's say your student just finished a science unit. Instead of giving a worksheet, you could ask, "Tell me what you learned about gravity." Was there anything that surprised you? How would you teach this to a friend? This kind of assessment checks for more than just memorization. It looks for understanding, connection, critical thinking. In homeschooling environments, DBAs are a perfect fit. You're already working closely with your child, so use that relationship to deepen learning. In schools, teachers are starting to use DBAs in response to AI use. But let's face it, AI can write an essay, but it can't explain why a student wrote it that way. Here's another tip. DBAs can be recorded as part of a portfolio. Just jot down notes or take a quick video. They're also a great way to boost soft skills like eye contact, speaking clearly, justifying an opinion. And if your child struggles with writing, DBAs offer an alternative way to show what they know, especially for neurodiverse learners. You don't need to follow a script, just be curious. Ask your child to walk you through their thinking and really listen. Thanks for joining us. Subscribe to Twinkl Teaching Resources USA for more videos.